Let's do this. No, we can't do that.
No. You can pull that if you want. I can jump twice if you want.
You might have to just push me off. So, you excited for your first bungee?
Second.
Very tall.
How do you feel? Jump off it?
Myself, eh?
You get excited?
I'm gonna cry. I need fresh air, but we're in fresh air.
How was that? Congratulations, Sash. Thanks. Proud of you.